Hi students, this is Ankush Gupta and you are watching YouTube channel of Race Coaching Institute, Bangalore. Today I have come up with a new topic of quantitative aptitude, that is number series, and this is again a very important topic as far as pre-exam is concerned, both for banking and as well as for insurance exam. So I will be discussing 25 questions in this class. So all of you please solve the question with me, okay? And before that, share the link with your friends so that they can also watch this video, okay? So let's start today's class. So here is our first question. So you can see there are numbers given and this is the missing number we have to find out. So here first there is decrease in number, then increase in number, then again decrease and increase. So we will find out the difference. So first difference is 138. Second difference is 276. Then 207. Then 414. Here minus plus minus plus, here it will be minus. So here we can say plus 138, here minus 69, here plus 207, here it will be minus. So here it is minus 69, here plus 138. So you can see here in this series, this number is half and this number is double of this given number. So the next number will be half of this number. So half of this number will be 103.5. Okay, now we have to subtract it. So it will be 103.5 here. Again we have to subtract it. So it will be 310.5. So we have to subtract it here again. So it will be 310.5. So this is our series. Okay, and what is our answer here? Our answer will be option C. Okay, so this is a bit complicated question, but here is the way to find out the answer. We have to subtract the value and after that we have to find out the relation between each values. Okay, and this is a relation and this is our answer. What is 310.5? This is next question, question number 2, and here you can see the values are gradually increasing. Okay, so multiple, we can try multiple multiplication factors here. So here we can see from 27 to 28, it can be like 27 into 1 plus 1. From 28 to 57, again into 2 plus 1. Here it will be into 3 plus 1. So it will be into 4 plus 1. You can see here we have a series. First into 1 plus 1, multiplication, then addition. Multiply by 2 plus 1, multiply by 3 plus 1, multiply by 4 plus 1. This addition factor is same and the multiplication factor is increasing. Okay, so what would be the answer? 172 into 4, it will be 688 plus 1. So it will be 689. Okay, so our answer is option D. Okay, this is another way or this is another type of question. Okay, I hope so you understand this question. Now let's solve the next question. This is our third question, and in this question you can see initially value is decreasing and after that it is gradually increasing. So this is one special type of question and it is frequently asked. So how to solve this question? Check it. So you can see here initially how to reach from 15 to 8. So if we multiply it with 0.5, what we get? 7.5. Then add 0.5. So we have two factor here. One is multiplication factor and one is additional factor. one value we are multiplying and one value we are adding. So we are multiplying first value with 0.5 and adding 0.5. We are getting 8. So now next here we can see between 15 to 32. Multiply by 2, 30 plus 2, I will get 32. So it means I will add 0.5 here, multiply by 1 plus 1, then here multiply by 1.5 plus 1.5. Here multiply by 2.5 plus 2.5. So what would be my answer? 8 multiplied by 1, 8 plus 1, 9. So 9 will be the answer. So A is our answer in this question. Okay, so this is a different type of question and this is the way to solve this question. Okay, this is question number 4 of the number series, and here we can solve it by difference. So first plus 10, then plus 12, then plus 16, then plus 24. Again find out the difference. Plus 2 here, plus 4 here, plus 8. So you can easily see the difference is doubling itself. Okay, the next value is double of previous value. So what would be the next value in the series? 16. Now 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 4, 16, 16 plus 8, 24, 20 plus 24 plus 16, it will be 40. So 135 plus 40 will be 175, and this is our answer, option A. This is question number 5. Okay, you also try this question and try to solve this question before me. Okay, so here you can see, we can see the value are increasing rapidly. Okay, 81, then missing value, then this 173, 544, 2225, 11206. So when we have missing number at the beginning, we can find out the sequence from the middle values. So here how we can reach from 173 to 554. So if I simply multiply it with 3, what I will get? 5, 1 and 9. Okay, then how much I should add here? 25. So multiply by 3 and adding 25. So this 25 I can consider it as a 5 square. Okay, so here it can be 1, here it can be multiplied by 2, here into 4. So if 16, 17 and 21, and if we add, it will be plus 49, that is 7 square. So first 7 square, first we have here 5 square, here 7 square, it can be 3 square here, and it can be 1 square here. So this is a sequence for square values, and sequence for multiplication factor is multiply by 1, then multiply by 2, multiply by 3, multiply by 4, and so on. So if I multiply 81 by 1, it will be 81 plus 1 square, it will be 82. Okay, 82 multiply by 2, it will be 164 plus 3 square, 9, it is 173, hence prove. So what is our answer? 82C. Okay, so this is the answer for this question. So this is question number 6, and here we can see value are increasing and values are decreasing as well. So simply find out the difference. So first difference here is 121. Here you can see difference is 61 plus 3, 64. Here 46 plus 49, and here we have difference of 36. So you can see these all are square values, and here these values are decreasing. 11 square, this is 8 square, 7 square, here 6 square. So here it will be 9 square, here it will be 10 square. So 100. So what I have to do here, we are adding. So here subtracting, adding, subtracting, then adding. So I have to subtract 100, so it will be 80. It will be 80. So what is my answer? Option D. Okay. Question number 7. All the students, please try it. Here, this again we can find out the answer by finding difference. So first difference is 4, 6, 64. Here 14 plus 72. Simply add 14 here. 286 plus 14. 300 plus 58. So 58 plus 14, 72. Simple. So here 58 and 38. So it will be 80. So 64 plus 8 plus 8 plus 88. Okay, plus 96. So 12. Simply here in the unit digit I have 622. Okay, a single 2. So no need to find out the full answer. Simply by checking the option you can also find out the answer. Okay, so 6 plus 6, 12. So unit digit is 2. So here we have a single option in which we have 2 as a unit digit. So don't worry, it is not necessary to find out the whole answer, whole value. Okay, simply you can mark this answer. Okay, so this is question number 8 of the series, and this is very interesting question. So here you can see all the values are near to cube value of some number. So here 340. So this is very near to 7 cube. So 7 cube is equal to 343 minus 3. 726 is very near to 9 cube. 9 cube is 729 minus 3. So 7 cube, 9 cube, 11 cube, 13 cube and 15 cube. The difference is same in every case. So next will be 17 cube. So for that the cubes value you must learn all the cube values. Okay, so 17 cube is 4913 minus 3, it will give us 4910. So what is our answer? Option C. Okay, so some number series, they are based on cube values or square values or cube root or square root. So you have to find out it. Okay, so this question is based on cube values. Okay, so C is our answer. Question number 9 of the series. Okay, I hope so all of you are solving this question with me, and even some student, they are solving this question even before me. So this is also very easy question. You can see 2144. So multiply by 2 plus 2. Again multiply by 2, 88 plus 2, 90. Multiply by 2, 180 plus 2. So this is the series. So again multiply by 2 plus 2. So 366 multiply by 2. So 360, 36, 720, 12 plus 2. So it will be 734. So 734 will be the answer. Okay, first 36, 720, then 6 square, 12 plus 2. So this is how we can easily find out this question. So A will be the answer here. This is question number 10, and here I will give you one tip. It is not necessary in every question we should start from the beginning. We can also start from the end as well. Here you can see in 456 and 447 we have very less difference. So if we find out the difference here, it is equal to 9. Okay, here the difference is 481 minus 456. It will be 25. So this is 5 square. This is 3 square. Here it will be 7 square, 9 square, 11 square. Okay, so it will be 1 square here. And you can see the value from this side. We are adding the values. 447 plus 9, it is 456. So plus 1, it will be 446. 6 plus 1 is equal to 447. So B is our answer. Okay. So sometimes they ask very tricky questions. So here it is not necessary to solve this question from this end. If you solve this question from the right end, it will be easy for you. Okay. So answer is B, 446, and this is the sequence of the series. Okay. This is question number 11, and we have already discussed one question where value is initially decreasing and then increasing, and same pattern is here. Okay, so give a try. We can see 71. If we multiply it by 5, multiply by 0.5 or divide by 2, both are same thing. So to make the pattern, I have to write it multiply by 0.5. It will be easy. So it will be 35.5 then plus 0.5. So multiplying by 0.5 and adding 0.5 to it, it will give me 36. So here multiply by 1 plus 1. Next it will be multiply by 1.5 plus 1.5. So this is a sequence. Okay, so here it will be 2, 2.5. So here it will be 3. So I have to multiply by 3. So 15, 3, 7. Okay, and 27 and 7 plus 2 point, sorry, plus 3. So it will be 780.5, and A is our answer. Okay. This is question number 12, and very interesting question. Some may think here we have a multiplication factor here, or some may think we have a difference factor, but it is very typical or very easy question. So we will find out difference here. So 4, so it will be plus 3 here, plus 13 here, plus 33. So you can easily sense the pattern. So plus 10 plus 20. Okay, next if you see here, the value is plus 63. So it is plus 30. Next it will be plus 40. So it will be plus 103. So the answer will be 219. Option number C. Very simple question. Okay, I hope so all of you are solving these question with ease. So now next move to the next question. This is our question number 13, and again very easy question. Just find out the difference. So first difference is 121. Again square value. Next will definitely be a square value. So 4, 4, 1. So it is 12 square. Next it will be 169, 196, 225. So 5 to 7. We can easily see 7 in only option B. You can confirm the answer. 5 to 7, 3 to 5, 6 to 8, 857. But in final examination you don't have that much time, so sometime you have to eliminate the option. So easily we can see the unit digit is 7. Here we have only single 7 in option B, so no need to find out the whole complete answer. Okay, so this is the answer. Question number 14. Again, sometime it is better to solve from the other end. So here you can see from 56 to 114 into 2 plus 2. Again here into 2 plus 2 in this direction. So here it will be what? Multiply with 2 plus 2. So the answer will be 27. So 27 into 2, 54 plus 2, 56. From this side if we solve it, divided by 2, okay, minus 1, 231 minus 1, okay, divided by 2, 115 minus 1, divided by 2, 57 minus 1, divided by 2, 28 minus 1. Again we have the same answer. So this totally depends on you in which way you are comfortable. Okay, so in both the cases answer will be option D. This is again a very interesting question number 15. Okay, sometimes we get confused by seeing first two values, so better we start from the middle. So you can see how to reach from 205 to 1030. So it is very easy. Into 5 plus 5. Okay, here again into 5 plus 5 into 5 plus 5. So this is the series. Next will be into 5 plus 5. So 150 and 5 plus 5. So it will be 5155 is my answer. Answer is option C. Very simple. Question number 16. And here values are increasing, decreasing, increasing, decreasing. So in this case, just find out the difference. So first difference, plus 1, then minus 4, then plus 9. All the values are square value. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, this will be 4 square, this will be 5 square, this will be 6 square. So plus, minus, plus, minus, plus and minus. So 6 square, 36. So 42 minus 36, it will be 6. So the value, the answer is option A. Okay. So this is very easy. You can, if you follow the right sequence or right pattern, you can solve this question within 30 seconds. Okay. But after practice. So this is question number 17. Easy but a tricky question. So let's solve this question. So from 19 to 8.5, how to reach? Multiply by 0.5 again, minus 1. Okay, so multiply by 0.5, we have 9.5 minus 1, we have 8.5. Next, multiply by 1 minus 2. So we can see first the multiplication factor 0.5 plus 0.51, and in the subtracting factor we have minus 1 first, then minus 2. Next we can see multiply by 1.5. So this will give me 1575 797. So 9.75. So minus 3. So first minus 1, then minus 2, then minus 3. In multiplication, first 0.5, 1, 1.5. So here it will be 2 and minus 4. So 6.75 multiply by 2, it will be 13.5. Okay, 13.5 minus 4, it will give us 9.5, and option E, C is our answer. Very simple. Okay. Question number 18. Again, a simple difference we can find out. Okay. So first difference is plus 14. Then 55, 76, 5 plus 16, 21. Then 76 plus 4, 80, 20, 24 plus 8, 32. Then 8 plus 2, 10, plus 40, 50 plus 3. So it will be 45. Okay. So this is the difference. Now again we have to find out the difference. 14, 21, 7. Here we have 11. Here we have 13. So next, so we can see these values are what? Prime numbers. So after 7 we have 11 as prime number, then 13 as prime number. Next will be 17. So 17 plus 45, 45 plus 7, 52 plus 10, 62. So if I add 62, 3 plus 2, 5, and 15 plus 6, 21. So 215 will be our answer, option number A. Okay. So again, a series, very interesting question. 13, 13, 52, 468. So simply start from here. How to reach from 52 to 468. So if I simply multiply by 9, 9 2s are 18, 1, 9 5 45 plus 1, 46. So here if I multiply by 4, we have 13 to 52. So 2 square, 3 square, here 1 square. So next will be, you can easily see 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. Next it will be 4 square, that is 16. So if I multiply by 16, I will get the answer 16 into 8, 128, then 16, 96 plus 298, 108, 10, 16 into 4, 64 plus 10. So this is 7488 is my answer. So multiplication should also be very good in this case. Okay, so this is the question number 19. So next question is question number 20, a tricky but a simple question. So let's solve this question. So find out the difference. First difference is 0.5, then this is 2, then we have 4.5. Next two differences. So if we find out difference here, 1.5, difference here 2.5, next it can be 3.5. So if I add 4.5 plus 3.5, I get 8. 24 plus 8, 32. So next 4.5, 8 plus 4.5, 12.5, and 32 plus 12.5 is 44.5, hence proved. So, answer is option number E. Okay, and this is the pattern. So this is question number 21. So we have very big value at the starting, so we will solve this from the middle. So if we can see here the relation between 288 and 72, if I simply divide 288 from 4, okay, I get 72 simply. Okay, and here if I divide this with 5, I get 288. 6 I get, and 7. So here it will be 3, and 24 will be my answer. This is the pattern, and 24 is the answer. Next question is question number 22, and we have a series. Initially very small gap, and the difference or gap is increasing. So let's find out. So how we can reach here 220, or simply multiply by 1 plus 1. We have 221, multiply by 2 plus 4. Multiply by 2, 442 plus 4, 446. So here 1, I will consider it as 1 square. I will consider it 2 square. Next, multiply by 3, 18, 1, 13 and 13. So plus 9. So it will be 3 square. So the pattern is simple. Multiply by 1, multiply by 2, then multiply by 3, and adding 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. Next will be multiply by 4 and adding 4 square. So if you multiply it by 4, 7 into 4, 28, 8, 2, 18, 1, 13 and 5. So plus 16. So 4, 0, 54. So option A is my answer. And what is the pattern? First multiply by 1, add 1 square, multiply by 2, add 2 square, multiply by 3, add 3 square. The next digit I will get by multiply by 4 and adding 4 square. Simple. Next is question number 23, and here you can see first and second value. The second value is nearly double, then again approximately double, double, double. So here if I multiply it by 2, I am adding 12. Here multiply by 2, what I will get? 224. And what I am adding here? Plus 24. Here again if I multiply by 2, what I will get? 248 into 2 will be 496, and 496 I am adding 36. So first I add 12, in second case I add 24, in third case I am adding 36. So the value is multiple of 12. So next multiply by 2 plus 48 multiply by 2 plus 60 in this case. So if I multiply by 2, it will be 2, 2, 2, 4 plus 60. The answer will be 2, 2, 8, 4. So 2, 2, 8, 4 is my answer, option number B. So option B is the answer, and this is the pattern here. You can see every digit we are multiplying by 2, but adding first 12, then 24, 36, 48, and finally we are adding 60, and we are getting the answer 2284. So next is question number 24, and this is a tricky question. So let's learn how to solve this. So this is very near to 10 square, that is 100 plus 1. Next 20 square, that is equal to 400 plus 4. Next 30 square, that is equal to 900 plus, I can say, 27. So next will definitely be 40 square, that is equal to 1600 plus 256. So here the first 10 square, 20 square, 30 square and 40 square, easy to understand. Next will be 50 square. But the question is how they are taking these values. So this is again very simple if you are good in square and cubes values. So here this is 1 raised to power 1. This is 2 raised to power 2. This is 3 raised to power 3. This is 4 raised to power 4. Here it will be 5 raised to power 5. Okay. So that's how we will get the answer. So here 50 square will be 2500 and 5 raised to power 5. Okay. So we can write 25 square into 5. So 625 into 5, and it will be 3125. So we will add these two values. So what will be the answer? 5, 2, 6 and 5. So 5625 will be the answer, and option number D is the answer for question number 24. Okay. So this is the last question and the easiest one. So simply we can see the relation between first and second. 20 into 3, 60 into 5 into 7 into 9. So into 11. So what will be the answer? 0, 0, 9, 88 plus 9, 7, and 11 plus 9, 20. So 207, 900 will be the answer, option number A. Okay, so this was the final question of the class. So finally, I hope so this class would be useful for you all guys for upcoming examination, and I would suggest you to practice number series every day, at least 10 or 20 question, so that you can finally you can, or after some time you can solve question or five question of number series within 2 or 2.5 minute. Okay, so if you like this video, please subscribe the channel, like the video, and share the link of this video with your friends. Okay, and thank you for watching.